It's said that the fish can only remember things no more than 7 seconds, and 7 seconds later, it's a kind of fresh start to them. Maybe there is only one fish in your tank, but perhaps it will never feel bored and lonely at all because in every 7 seconds, its memory of this world refreshes. Just like Dory in the movie Finding Nemo, Dory is so adorable. But the story of Dory is a fairy tale. Sometimes it was treated like truth by people. So now it's time to prove that the fish do not merely have short memory span. Here are evidence from 2 scientific studies. First, the researchers at the University of Michigan conducted a study on goldfish. They put the goldfish in a long-shaped tank and shot light at one end of the tank. 20 minutes later, they set an electric shock on the same side. Soon, the goldfish memorized that the shock would come with the light. When they saw the light again, they went to another side immediately, just for dodging the electronic shock. In this experiment, the researchers also found that with proper reasonable training, the goldfish will remember how to hide the electronic shock for a month. Fish scientist Tony J., teacher of the University of British Columbia, described an experiment in fish cognition and behavior. In his laboratory, 2 different colored tubes were placed in the goldfish breeding pond. The goldfish can get the food when they chose the correct color tube. After they trained the fish for a period of time, the color tubes were taken out. After a year, when the researchers put the tube back to the pond again, the goldfish could still choose the right color tube for the food. From these 2 studies, we know that fish have long-term memory. They learned how to avoid the shock and attack and find the feed based on memory. All of these show that fish can memorize things for a long period of time, so fish are not as forgetful as we think.